What is linguistic reconstruction for proto-languages? Imagine trying to piece together a puzzle where many pieces are missing or faded over time. That's what linguists do when they work on reconstructing ancient languages. They don't have written records for these old languages, so they use clues from modern languages that descended from them. This process is called linguistic reconstruction. It helps us understand what our ancestors might have spoken thousands of years ago. It's a key part of studying how languages evolve and how different language families are connected. By comparing related languages, linguists look for patterns in sounds, words, and grammar. These patterns reveal how the original language, called a proto-language, might have sounded and looked. The reconstructed words are called protoforms, and they usually have an asterisk before them to show they are guesses. The main tool used is the comparative method. This involves looking at similar words across different languages and seeing how they change. For example, if one language has a word for water that sounds like agua and another like aqua, linguists can trace back to what the original word might have been. They analyze how sounds shift over time, like how P might turn into F in some cases. This helps them reverse the changes and find the original sounds. They also study grammatical patterns, like how sentences are structured, to reconstruct the grammar of the proto-language. Sometimes, linguists use internal reconstruction, which looks at patterns within a single language to guess how it might have sounded before it changed. This process isn't just about words. It helps classify languages into families, showing how they are related and where people might have migrated. It also supports efforts to preserve endangered languages by understanding their roots. From a broader view, linguistic reconstruction reveals how human communication has developed over thousands of years. It shows how languages borrow from each other, change, or even disappear. This work helps us see the bigger picture of human history and cultural development. It's like being a detective, piecing together clues to tell the story of our ancestors' voices and thoughts. So, in simple terms, linguistic reconstruction is the way linguists build a picture of ancient languages by comparing what we see in modern ones, helping us understand where we come from and how our languages have grown and changed over time.